Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
We have got 3 pasture-raised eggs, a spatula, a frying pan, some pepper, a remote. I put that out of there, it's not part of it. Some oil of olive, that's it, olive oil, and some butter. It's that easy. Hey, Mike Foster here. Whoa, I got my mask on. Look at, my wife just bought me this one, Boston Red Sox. Mike Mask Foster. Let's take that off, Mike. Don't be an idiot. Mike Foster here. Hey, you know I'm an omelet king. I'm the egg king. I'm the fried egg sandwich king. I do all kinds of things in a kingy very way. This is the no cheese perfect omelet. The perfect no cheese omelet. I'm going to show you how to do it. And it starts with, you got to beat these guys, open them up. I'm going to show you how to do that, and then let them rest for 5 minutes. And then we put this baby together. Okay, what you want to do is you're going to just, seriously, my famous omelet video that's got over 11.5 million views, I say beat these babies. I'm not saying anything wrong. I'm just calling, if you listen to me talk, I call everybody baby. So, let's straighten that out. So just, you're going to beat these guys for, you can use a whisk, use whatever you want. I only need a fork. I'm the expert. I'm Foster. So you're going to do this for at least a minute. You can see they're already opening up. See them? Yeah, of course you do. And then you're going to let them rest. Once they're done, I'll show you what I do at the stove. Okay, we got the timer on. You're going to hear in 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2. The timer, hear it? That's the timer. That's 5 minutes of these eggs. That's the key to this, is beating them up and then letting them rest, because that totally opens. And then put a little butter in here and a little olive oil. That's the key. Now we got this on a medium pan, and it's just perfect for this omelet. That's medium. Butter, olive oil mix. Here's those 3 eggs, and you just pop them down. Just like that. Now, the rest is slow and go. We're going to let them do their thing for a couple minutes. All right, how we doing? I'm going to take it. I said do its thing for a few minutes, but part of the thing is we're just going to mix it like that. It looks almost like a crepe, doesn't it? What you want to do now is put a little pepper in there. And that's it. For the pepper. Pull it in a little from the sides like this. Make sure everything's cooking. The key to the omelet is figuring out how to get that goop out of there. And this baby's doing well. Put that a little lower. Because what we're going to do when it's goopy, less goopy, for all you goopophobes out there, see I'm pulling it in from the sides. You see me make an omelet. In fact, I have one of the most popular omelet recipes in YouTube history. Seriously. It's ridiculous. Another 30 seconds. We'll roll this into the omelet, and I'm going to show you a perfect no cheese omelet. That's ready. It's ready for the flipperoo, the rolleroo. Look at, we're going to do a little roll like that, and then a little roll like that. Oh, baby, beautiful. I guess the word is perfect. All right, there she be. That's perfect. That's a perfect, oh gosh, that is gorgeous. That's a perfect no cheese omelet. It's all egg. Throw a little pepper on there to make it look pretty. A little pepper on the plate makes it look pretty, and then so little on the top. How's that look? That looks beautiful. But who cares how it looks? We got to see how it tastes. Big bite coming up. There's the perfect no cheese omelet. So you say, Mike, let's see how it tastes. And who wants an omelet with no cheese? Well, a lot of people don't like dairy. Oh, God, that looks gorgeous. Look at that, gorgeous. Oh. That is all egg, 3 eggs. It's only 200 calories, 20 grams of protein. Oh, wow. It's delicious. It's the healthiest thing you can eat. If you want just a protein bomb, because cheese isn't the healthiest thing, but eggs are. There's only a little butter in this. If you don't want any dairy, quite contrary, then just go with the olive oil. Oh, this is really good. No salt in it. Look at gone, half gone. That bite is hot. Oh boy. Okay. That one was hot. All right. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. I've got over 1,000 videos. Tell people about them, especially my egg videos. And then, you know, enjoy life and stay safe. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
This right here. Gotta take care of that. Check it out. That's a little, I guess, right, Mike? All right. Enough of that BS. Now I'm back to eating. Sweet bad boo anyway. All right. That sucker's hot. Bye-bye. That's really close. I like this shirt. It's one of my favorites. I mean, if you want to see my shirt collection, I have quite a few Hawaiian shirts. In fact, you know, maybe too many. Baba.